Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another Destash, and this time it's sequins and table scatters and a big bag of bling. Um, I've had these things in my stash for some time and I just don't use them. um, so if you're interested, it will be PayPal only, US only. Um, Friends and family, and you need to contact me via email, okay? And I'll have my email and all that information down below if you're interested, okay? So let me go through it all. Um, so I think I covered all the holidays. I know Halloween just passed, but I have quite a bit of Halloween confettis, from the Dollar Tree. These are all different kinds. There's like a red spider, and this is like webbing, pumpkins. Um, this one says boo. This is witches. This is cats. And then here's a gravestones and bats and what do you call these, ghosts? And then I also have more, like skull, crossbones, and little tiny pumpkins. I have this one with skulls, spiders, and webs. Let's see, do I have anything else? That's Halloween. Nope, that's it for Halloween. And then I also have Hello Kitty that I got from, what do you call it? Party City, and I never used it. I think I have another one. I have this Paris themed one, and it has, hearts and fleur-de-lis, and these could be really great for ephemera. So that one, and I think I have one more, yeah. I have like a boy one, Captain America or Superman, what do you call it? Batman, Green Lantern, I think it's called the event, Justice League. And I was going to do something for my son, and I never did it. Okay. Then I have, what's next? Like almost like Christmas, like joy, and snowmen and snowflakes. These are snowflakes. Let's see, is that it? Yeah. So I have those, and then I have some leaves. These are great for just adding leaves to projects I've done in the past, and I have a ton of these, so I wanted to give those away. These are apples and buses for back to school. Then I have some valentines, some hearts. I think this one has love, XOXO. And then I have some flowers for the summer. So I think I've covered every holiday, almost every holiday. And then I have this big bag of bling. I went through my drawer and I'll show you. I had them all in these little containers, and oh my gosh, the autofocus is going berserk. And I figure I don't use them nearly as much as I used to, and I'd rather pass this on to somebody else. So all this I'm asking 25 shipped Um, PayPal only, US only. And if you're interested, send me an email. Okay? Thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.